Last week, Tesco's punnet of strawberries was £2.75 for 400 grams, and my kids demolished them before we even get home. So you end up buying a second pack, so that's £5.50. Do that every week from June to August, and that's £71.50 in a single summer for fruit that tastes like absolute nothing. These numbers are genuinely unhinged because there's a plant that you buy once and it will feed your family free strawberries every single summer for the rest of your life. Not cheap, free. Supermarkets are so clever about how they price things. So you've got 400 grams of punnet, £2.75. That's £6.88 a kilo, and we've collectively as a nation agreed to pay for fruit which is honestly not that great. And this is the really cheeky bit. Peak British strawberry season. The very moment that the supermarkets charge the most. And a huge amount that's what's on the shelves comes from Spain. Picked unripened, so it survives 4 or 5 days in a refrigerated lorry. And by the time it hits the shelves, the strawberry is nearly a week old. Spanish strawberries with British summer price tag on it. And every June, Wimbledon start. And the newspaper runs the strawberry stories. Everyone laughs about the prices, and then we go and pay them anyway. Because the system has weaponised a cultural moment against us, and it works every single year. So over 10 years ago, I bought 10 strawberry plants, and they were about £1 each. And I want to show you exactly what happens, because this is the bit that changed everything.
Who would decide to grow so many strawberries, or did they just forget to weed them?
A strawberry plant sends out horizontal shoots called runners, and at the end of each one there's a new strawberry plant. And if you peg it into compost pots or let it sprawl over the floor, 4 to 6 weeks later you'll be snipping them free and you'll get a new plant. Cost you £0, and the plant literally hands them to you. One plant, 8 runners, 8 free plants, and these bad boys are printing food. Now here's the maths, and this is where it gets genuinely ridiculous. Year 1, you plant are establishing. To be honest about this, you're looking at about 2.5 kilos total. That's only £17 worth of fruit, but you've already got your money back on your 10 plants. Year 2, each plant sends out runners. Conservatively, let's say 3 each. Now that's 40 plants, 40 and 400 grams each. That's 17 kilos, £110 worth of strawberries from one afternoon's work and £10 investment. Year 3, this is when it stops making sense completely. I started with 10 plants and now I have hundreds, and I mean hundreds of plants. Last summer, I harvested 27 kilos of strawberries in a single day. 27 kilos. At supermarket prices, £185 of fruit in one day from a £10 investment I made years ago. And honestly, now I'm having to weed the strawberry plants out of my paths because they are so prolific. That is self-defense gardening, and it all started with this. Now, before I tell you where I'm going to get your plants, I'm going to warn you about the single biggest mistake I see everywhere in strawberry growing, because it will cost you at least 2 years. Do not grow strawberries from seed, and I'm telling you right now, just don't do it. Seeds take 18 months to 2 years before you even get any meaningful fruit. The germination is unreliable. There's absolutely no reason to do it when runners exist. You're just making life harder for yourself. And I get it, because every YouTube channel is really pushing the fact that you can grow it from seed. But plants or runners only, that's the rule. So this is what you need to do. Before you even spend a single penny, try Facebook Marketplace, search strawberry runners, because you'll get tons of people this time of year that will stick up strawberry runners for absolute free. They're just giving them away, collection only, because they become a complete nightmare. Or your local allotment are in the same situation. If you have an allotment neighbour, ask them. My dad always said, don't ask, don't get. And they can give you absolutely handfuls of strawberry plants and look grateful. I know I've done it. And that's option 1. We always go free first, don't we? But let's be honest, not everyone can get them for free. I knew I couldn't when I started out. So to cover all bases, you can absolutely get these bad boys for about £1 each on Facebook Marketplace. But don't go paying more than that. And absolutely don't pay the absolutely eye-bleeding costs for strawberries at the garden centre. You're not made out of money, and nor am I. And £1 a plant for a lifetime supply of strawberries, now that is self-defence gardening. Now 10 plants will give you 400 grams per plant. That is 4 kilos of strawberries, and that's just year 1. Strawberries are like compound interest. And before you know it, you'll be like me and harvesting 27 kilos of strawberries in just 1 day. And that's only good if you don't waste them. The system wants them rotting away in your fridge. Here's the question that nobody asks until it's too late. What are you actually going to do? Strawberries are perishable. They go off in 3 days. And if you don't know what to do with your gut, you can waste half of it and feel completely defeated. And go back and buy punnets. And that's exactly what they want. The simple answer, freeze them. Hold them, lay them flat on a tray and just freeze them for like 2 hours. And then bag them up, done. Frozen strawberries keep for 6 months minimum. Perfect for smoothies, baking, porridge. And this is the bit that gets me every single time. In January, 200 gram punnets is £3.50. That's £17.50 a kilo out of season. Your frozen stock is sitting there in the freezer and that'll cost you absolutely nothing in your favour. Or jam. Strawberry jam is honestly embarrassingly easy to make. Fruit, sugar, 20 minutes. Shelf stable for years. A jar of premium strawberry jam costs 30 pence to make. And in the supermarket, the same jar is £2 plus, and it tastes completely different. Tastes like strawberry with a bang. And if you want to go full self-sufficiency with this Glut, that's a whole nother level and a whole different video. Let me add this up for you. 1 year, £17 of fruit from a £10 investment. Year 2, £110. Year 3 onwards, £185 a single harvest day. 3 summers, £10 investment, over £300 of fruit. To be perfectly honest, it's not a garden project. It's a savings account that grows on a plant. And if you act this weekend, you will be out in your garden, on your balcony, on your windowsill, harvesting strawberries that cost you nothing, while the rest of the Brits will be queued up to pay £2.75 a punnet. That's not a small win. That, to be perfectly honest, is a food revolution. The system wants you to drive to Tesco's every week in June, buy another punnet, feel vaguely annoyed at the prices, come home, eat them within 3 days, and then come back next week. Do it again. Do it again for the rest of our lives. And that's what they're counting on. A single strawberry runner, that's it. That is the entire escape plan, pegged into compost. And 6 weeks later, you're out of the system. Do it 3 years in a row and you're harvesting 27 kilos before you know it. Let me know down below how many runners you're going to have this summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And make sure you're subscribed.
Bye.